start my video earlier, but accidentally touched the stop button. We are on our way to Kampong Club Floating Village. គេកំពុងអាសាអាហ្នឹងមិនមែនសំណាញ់ទេនេះហៅអីអួនអូខេThis is own how they fish. The small one.
Just in case if I cannot ride in L-O-R-E with a ride right here.
So they say in this village they are all Cambodians, not the same in the other floating village. It's called floating village because some float and some have pillars. So everybody living in this village living off the water, either by boat, but most of them are fishermen, fishing, selling groceries, convenience store. Chẳng mấy nhân bạc lan. Ok, ní đe ta con tu dân. Our driver house, the boat captain here. Police for tourists. Police for tourists?
Yeah, tourism.
Police. Yes. My police. I have my own police. That's a Thai. Sala Thom. Sala courthouse. Courthouse. Courthouse, the tall one.
Okay, more with it. Right.
Hospital. So this part, when it's dry season, you can drive here. Right now it's wet season. It was a speedboat just past us, so that's why the way. Okay, ni uốn nè. Cái đá bạn hết. Nhâm khai kiêng. Tao xong tôi thầm đá. So we want to see how they bring up the fish. Uốn. I'm not sure. It's some kind of netting. They lay that in the water and they pull it up. A long chain of net. No way, my elbow. Oh. somewhere else. They don't pull it up here.
Om trim đôi là bự đi. Om trim đôi.
So they put the net somewhere else. Then they brought in the boat. Now they bring another section to drop them. Nhưng men video. Nhưng men video. Đó.
Trai bên đôi là bự.
ត្រីបណ្ដោលលពៅមិនពៅទេត្រី
là bự. Là bự ban nay thay biệt tôm.
បណ្ដោលលពៅវាទុនដោយបណ្ដោលលពៅអូខេកូនត្រីអាត្រីហ្នឹងវាចេះធំអត់so this kind of fish don't grow any bigger than this so it's not like we catch baby fish they are fully grown it's still that size
Alo.
okay we have to slow down because they're gonna sink they need to find out some kind of speed bump here dangerous for small boats
Ô tôm cầm nặng mà. Đi à? Con ra đi mà con ra đi. Ôi tôi muối này. Ô hồ. Chắc hai chắc cái bún này nó nên là chắc hai chắc nổi làng tiệm là không. Ôm tụng. Này ní về con sẽ đi học mà. Ôm tụng khẳng nghe rồi ôm đi ra. Nè. Mấy là về nhọp về trai tụng lạng toàn.
Tin đây ta so the fish just fall off ở đây tiên cho anh đó wow all at once everybody's getting fish out of their fishing boat wow mà đi bay nha look at how much fish wow look at this other side also Trai chè hao Buddhist temple but all this on the right hand side is now on dry land I'm not sure there's access from some other side but I think it's still boat going on this land unless it's dry season on wet season can't access the land they're like islands
Không cần bọc cần.
Tinh thùng bọc kê
Đi ra cái trái này.
so they have good service phone here because there's an antenna here so they use real trees for wood burning okay that's to dry fish រៀនហាត្រីងៀត okay wood burning wood maybe
so ខ្ញុំសបល់គិតថាគេថាចាំដល់ក្រៅនេះ
that one is a real floating no មួយនៅលើធុងម៉ែ
ប្រហែលខែ
here they really float okay how they dry firewood on the top of the tree so they have to wait until the water go up to go get them nè tôi á mẹ tôi cáiដាក់ទៅបូនចុះ the small boat they can put the bimini down and row into the wood so this is a forest not floating but just flooded and every year it's like that wet season that's how they find fish on trees here so when I was little People tell me fish can be found in trees, and I said not possible, but this is how. Because when the Himalaya melts, the water rise, and how you find the bags here, all the plastic bags, water rise quickly, and so when they go down again on low tides, fish get caught in trees. We got a big boat here that make big waves. A restaurant. Yeah, restaurant. Sân Anh nè. Sân Anh nè, sao kê? Rư mông nè na đây nông mông. Trôi riêng à? Trôi riêng nè na, có trôi riêngមួយទៀត. Something edible. Leaves. Floating restaurant with a Kodak spot on top. And a house, just a single house. I'm guessing this one come first.
អូទៅ
nó từ lấy xa ạ. Rồi, nóទឹកធំហ្នឹង
ទឹកធំទៅអត់ដល់នោះចាត់យើងចេញពីថែមកសុំទៅទលេ
ចេញពីថែមកសុំទៅទលេ
អើយកន្លែងគេក៏មានដែរតែចង់ឲ្យខៀវមើលកពើគេនេះមកកពើអញ្ចឹងទៅជីកតបទៅជីកទឹកនេះទៅបានអត់ជីកទឹកនេះទៅដល់នោះ